Thursday's market closes had corn, cattle, and soybeans out of the plus side. Darren Newsom with Bar Chart is in with analysis. And Darren, let's talk about corn and soybeans. Slightly higher on Thursday. Obviously, we are seeing the funds buy, but how long will they buy here? Can they get us through this next area of resistance that we're into on the charts?
Yeah, it's a great question, Michelle. Thursday we certainly did see most of the commodity complex really come out of come out of the holiday jumping. But corn and soybeans just kind of followed along, and as you said, most of it was just some fun short covering. From a technical point of view, it was interesting to see the high in March corn was just under the next round number, just one tick from the next round number. And corn likes to move round number to round number. So if it can get through what I think 460, then certainly it could set its sights on 470. But the bigger question is, we've only got till about the end of the month before things could possibly change. Let's just put it that way. And there's no real fundamental reason right now for funds to continue to add to longs, particularly in the soybeans. We can make a better case for corn because of that May July spread covering a bullish level of calculated full commercial carry. We just don't have that in soybeans. So, we're going to have to see some demand picking up. We're going to have to see it stay strong. And always the question at this time of year is how much is going to be sold coming out of the new year out of on-farm storage.
And what about the cattle market? Triple digit gains, new highs for the move in both live and feeder cattle futures. But that was solely a function of higher cash, wasn't it?
I believe so. Yeah. Cash market was it just remains on fire. And early in Thursday's session, the commercial traders seemed to be sitting back waiting to see what the funds might do. But when it became apparent that the funds weren't going to start to sell, we did see by the end of the day, future spreads were indicating a good deal of commercial support. So yes, this market just continues to go higher, continues to be led by cash, which is what livestock markets are supposed to do.
Do you think there's more upside in cattle yet, or how much more?
No idea. Because if we start looking at some of the outside markets, particularly if U.S. stock indexes start to come under pressure, sometimes that puts a little bit of weight on the livestock markets. I have no idea where the highs might be, but what I would like to do is continue to buy puts and just let this thing run.
All right, thanks so much, Darren Newsom with Bar Chart. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.